I have a RAR file on my iPhone which I've named my music.rar. So let me show you how to extract a RAR file on any iPhone. And the best part is, you don't have to install any third-party app, as there is a feature built into iOS that allows you to do this easily. I'm currently on the iOS 16 version, but it's the same process on iOS 18, 26, and later versions. The first thing you want to do is go to your app library and search for shortcuts. So, we click on that. Then you want to go to the top to the right corner here and click on the plus icon. Then go down here and click on Search, where it says Search for Apps and Actions. Search for Files. And then you want to click on this one that says File. Then you want to click on File again, and then select the file you want to extract, and then click Open. Go down and click on Search again. Then you want to search for the action called Extract. So, I will click on this one called Extract Archive, and you should see that applied right here. And lastly, we will click on the action called Save File, and we are all done. Now click on Done. Click on this new shortcut that says Save File, and it will ask you where you want to save the extracted file. So I'm just going to go to Browse, and then choose to save the file here in the Chrome folder. So I will click Open. And that will extract all my files right there in the folder. If you are extracting a large file, it will take some time to complete. I can just click on that file again, and I should see all of my files extracted for me. So our extraction process is complete. Now, if I should go to the File app on my phone and navigate to the folder we extracted the file to, we should now see all of our extracted files right there. So that's how to extract RAR files on iPhone. If you find this guide helpful, please leave a like and also subscribe to the channel.